We are going to learn about the topic tryptophan-operon. Tryptophan-operon. Tryptophan-operon is responsible for the synthesis of amino acid tryptophan. What is operon? Closely linked genes responsible for the single function, that time using the word operon. Here, tryptophan-operon means that have group of genes that responsible for the biosynthesis of amino acid tryptophan. The tryptophan operon is mainly present in number of bacteria, but it was first characterized in Escherichia coli. What's the regulation of tryptophan operon? When the tryptophan is present in the medium, the genes of tryptophan synthesis are not expressed. Similarly, when the tryptophan is absent in the growth medium, the genes of tryptophan synthesis are expressed. So it is one of the simple example of gene regulation. Tryptophan operon is one of the example of anabolic operon. What is anabolism? Small simple molecules join together to form a large molecule that means amino acid formation. Remember that students, in lac operon is the example of catabolic operon because lactose is disaccharide that is splitted into galactose and glucose. So that I using the word catabolic operon. In catabolic operon, one of the important positive regulator is cyclic AMP CRP protein. These type of proteins not involved in the regulation of tryptophan operon. It was first discovered by Jacob and Monod in the year of 1961. We are going to see about the structure of tryptophan operon. The structure of tryptophan operon consists of two genes. One is regulatory gene, another one is structural gene. What are the regulatory genes present in the tryptophan operon? So, it contains three regulatory genes. One is repressor, promoter, another one is operator. In tryptophan operon, 5 structural genes are present. One is tryptophan E, tryptophan D, tryptophan C, tryptophan D, another one is tryptophan A. Structure of the tryptophan operon. Tryptophan operon contains two genes. One is structural gene, another one is regulatory gene. First of all, we see about the regulatory genes. What are the regulatory genes present in the tryptophan operon means? Promoter, operator and repressor. What is promoter? Promoter is a RNA binding region. When the RNA polymerase binds to the promoter, the operator gets active. Then the structural genes of tryptophan are synthesized. Another region is called operator. Operator is a binding site of repressor protein. When the repressor protein binds on the operator, so the tryptophan operon turns off condition. So another region is called repressor. Repressor is located far away from the tryptophan operon and also repress the synthesis of tryptophan structural genes. Within the promoter that containing two regions, one is leader sequence, another one is attenuated sequence. The tryptophan L region is located before the tryptophan structural genes. Functions of structural genes. Tryptophan E gene encodes the enzyme androlate synthetase 1. Tryptophan D gene encodes androlate synthetase 2 enzyme. Tryptophan C gene encodes N5-phosphoribosyl androlate isomerase and indole 3-glycerol phosphate synthetase enzyme. Tryptophan B and A that synthesize the tryptophan synthetase subunit enzymes. The roles of structural genes. Tryptophan E gene that produce one of the enzymes, androlate synthetase enzyme. This androlate synthetase enzyme that converts the precursor fursemic acid into androlate compound. The androlate compound that produced from the cooperation of two enzymes, androlate synthetase 1 and androlate synthetase 2. Tryptophan C gene that produce two enzymes, phosphoribosyl androlate isomerase enzyme. One more thing is indole 3-glycerol phosphate synthetase enzyme. First see about phosphoribosyl androlate isomerase enzyme. This enzyme that converted the anthralite compound into 2-carboxyphenyl amino 1-deoxy-D-ribulose 5-phosphate molecule. This compound is converted into indole 3-glycerol phosphate with the help of indole 3-glycerol phosphate synthetase enzyme. Both enzyme of tryptophan A and B that produce the subunit of tryptophan. This molecule combines with glycerol 3-phosphate along with serine finally to produce the amino acid tryptophan. Biosynthesis of tryptophan. Tryptophan amino acid synthesized from the precursor molecule furosemide. Furosemide joins with one molecule of glutamine to form anthralite molecule. Then anthralite converted into 5-phosphoribosyl anthralate molecule. Then it is converted into 1,1-deoxyribulose 5-phosphate molecule. This molecule undergo number of reactions, for example deoxylation and decarboxylation, to form indole 3-glycerin phosphate molecule. From this indole 3-glycerin phosphate molecule, get the removal of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to form indole. The indole joins with one molecule of serine, at the same time removal of dehydration to form tryptophan amino acid. This is the biosynthesis of tryptophan. Tryptophan-operon regulation. The tryptophan-operon is expressed, that means turned on, when the tryptophan levels are too low within the cell. The tryptophan-operon is repressed, means turned off, means the tryptophan levels are too high within the cell. Because tryptophan is one of the amino acids, it is one of the example of anabolic operon. Tryptophan-operon is regulated by two different mechanisms. One is with the help of tryptophan repressor, another one is leader mRNA molecules. When the tryptophan molecule binds with the repressor, then the repressor molecules are converted into active repressor. So the tryptophan repressor is otherwise called as aborepressor. Tryptophan-operon regulation by repressor protein. Students, we know that repressor gene in tryptophan-operon is located far away from the tryptophan-operon. At the same time, tryptophan repressor is otherwise called aborepressor. What's the meaning of aborepressor? The tryptophan repressor alone cannot bind with the operator, cannot block the synthesis of structural gene. That means cannot repress the synthesis of structural gene. If the tryptophan was abundant within the cell, the repressor binds to the tryptophan to form the active repressor. Look at the picture. The above active repressor binds with the operator and suppress the tryptophan-operon in off condition. So that means there is no synthesis of structural gene. Look at the picture in another condition, low tryptophan level. If the tryptophan was absent within the cell, aborepressor alone cannot bind to the operator. So RNA polymerase binds with the operator that continue the synthesis of structural genes. So that is the on-off mechanism with the help of repressor protein. Regulation of tryptophan-operon by leader mRNA. Second mechanism of tryptophan-operon regulation is attenuation. The attenuator sequence is present within the leader sequence. 162 base pairs of leader sequence is present at the 5' end of the tryptophan mRNA, for example leader mRNA. Among these, 123 to 150 base pairs have regulatory activity. If the tryptophan is present in the cell, tryptophan synthesis is terminated by 28 base pairs region. That region is simply called as attenuator. The base sequence of this region in which the termination occurs a potential stem loop configuration in the mRNA molecule. If you see the picture, the first one is the free leader mRNA. The normal base pairing occurs between 1 and 2 region, and the simultaneously 3 and 4 region is also base pairing. Next, students, we are see about the mechanism of attenuation. For example, if the low concentration of tryptophan in the E. coli cell means the termination of transcription is mediated through translation of leader peptide. Two tryptophan codons in the sequence, this translation is very sensitive to the concentration of charged tryptophan tRNA molecule. If the supply of tryptophan is inadequate, the translation will be slowed at the tryptophan codon because the concentration of charged tryptophan tRNA becomes inadequate and a translating ribosome is stopped at the tryptophan codon. That permits the formation of 2-3 region of the leader mRNA stem loop formation before the transcription of region 4 is completed. So, the tryptophan operon turns on condition continuation of structural gene synthesis takes place. Next, the high tryptophan level within the E. coli cell. If the tryptophan is present in plentiful or large amount within the cell, the termination of it takes place. If the ribosome is in contact with the region 2, then the synthesis of region 4 is being completed. The segment 3 and 4, look at the picture, are free to form the stem and loop configuration without completing the segment 2 for base pairing to region 3. Base pairing of region 3 and 4 terminates the synthesis of structural gene synthesis. Thank you.